It's a good time to double check your batteries on your smoke detectors. Chief Jason Matthews of the Parkersburg Fire Department encouraged the public to check the batteries on their smoke detector. Chief Matthews said that if you aren't able to check your own batteries, you can contact the fire department and they can help you. The fire department is also able to help provide and install smoke detectors to the public on an income-driven basis.
It's just a good reminder to change batteries. A lot of the newer detectors are a 10-year battery, so at this time we just recommend that everybody test those and make sure they are working properly. But any of the older ones that have a battery, a 9-volt or a AA that can be changed, we recommend that they change that at this time.
In addition to checking your batteries on your smoke detector, Chief Matthews also encouraged the public to check their carbon monoxide batteries as well. You can find the contact information for the Parkersburg Fire Department on our website. District 3 of the West Virginia Department of Highways is working to replace